Have you ever thought about what your coffee consumption might have to do with the current inflation rate? According to this Qlik app we built, it's actually quite a bit. As you can see here, we predicted the sales for 3 coffee shops in New York City using Qlik's AutoML feature. We used 2023 sales data for training and then predicted the whole year of 2024. We not only focused on store-specific data, but also on economic drivers such as the inflation rate, as well as the unemployment rate and weather data as well, such as the temperature. Qlik inherently offers the possibility to manipulate key drivers by using sliders, for example, and play around with your AutoML model. We build on that by not only manipulating the drivers, but also store away those scenarios and use them for later comparisons, all in one app using our Data Plus extension. So let's have a look. Let's create a new scenario. Let's call it test. Load it in the app, save, and let's say we're interested in September and October, the next 2 months. And we can see those are just estimates, the inflation rate 2.7% roughly. Let's say we're a bit more pessimistic than that, and say we expect 4%, 6% unemployment rate. So this is just a showcase. And as soon as we hit the save button, the app is reloaded. And if we wait a bit, we can see the new predictions coming. The new predictions are here, and interestingly, for October, the sales are a little bit higher. Another use case is that we can not only look at monthly data, but we can also take a look at one store and let's say the next 2 weeks for staff planning, for example. So those are the next 2 weeks, and let's take Lower Manhattan as an example. And the temperature data you can see here is just an estimate from last year's data, so it's pretty inaccurate. What we have here is weather data coming from an API, so it's basically more accurate, and we can use that data for a more accurate prediction for the next 2 weeks. So by just clicking this button, creating a new scenario, it's called test 2 weeks, load it in the app, yes, and then reload the app. And a few seconds later, we can actually see the new predictions, which are a bit more accurate than before. And as the last step, we can pick our scenarios that we just created. Let's say we want to see the original one here, and we want to see the test one as a comparison. And let's say we want to see the monthly differences, and we can see that especially for September, October, for example, the sales are quite different. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to try building something similar for yourself, you can always get a free trial license from us, or if you just want to get in contact about your experiences using AutoML or something similar, please reach out.